Beckman Hall is currently undergoing major renovations. This is more than an upgrade. It is a commitment to enhancing the already top-tier Loras experience that all Duhawks share, from recruitment through graduation. Are you ready to be a part of Loras College history?
Regent Emeritus Paul and Fran Breitbach have generously offered a $2 million challenge gift.
This challenge matches all new and increased gifts dollar for dollar, and it ends on May 31st.
These renovations will strengthen our ability to recruit students from around the country
and increase our reach with international students around the world.
They will help Duhawks continue to grow into reflective thinkers in the classroom and become ethical decision makers outside of it.
And they will continue to enable student athletes to set new records in the competitive arena.
Don't just take our word for it. You can see it for yourself. These renovations include updates to residence hall rooms, kitchenettes, lounges, and a state-of-the-art chapel.
By joining this historic challenge, you aren't just supporting renovations to an iconic residence hall. You're impacting generations of Duhawks that will have the opportunity to call Beckman their home. Double your impact by making a gift today.